Good evening. Today we will continue with part 2 of Statistics of Diabetes in America. Diabetes by race and ethnicity. The rates of diagnosed diabetes in adults by race and ethnic backgrounds are 14.5% of American Indians, Alaskan Natives, 12.1% of non-Hispanic blacks, 11.8% of Hispanics, 9.5% of Asian Americans, 7.4% of non-Hispanic whites. The breakdown among Asian Americans: 5.6% of Chinese, 10.4% of Filipinos, 12.6% of Asian Indians, 9.9% of other Asian Americans. The breakdown among Hispanic adults: 8.3% of Central and South Americans, 6.5% of Cubans, 5.6% of Chinese, 10.4% of Filipinos, 12.6% of Asian Indians, 9.9% of other Asian Americans. The breakdown among Hispanic adults: 8.3% of Central and South Americans, 6.5% of Cubans, 14.4% of Mexican Americans, 12.4% of Puerto Ricans. Deaths. Diabetes was the 7th leading cause of death in the United States in the year 2019, which this report is based on. And on the 87,647 death certificates in which diabetes was listed as the underlying cause of death. In 2019, diabetes was mentioned as a cause of death in a total of 282,801 death certificates. The cost of diabetes. This was updated in March of 2018. However, it's a reference that we can use and go by. $327 billion, which is the total cost of diagnosed diabetes in the United States in 2018. $237 billion was for direct medical costs. $90 billion was in reduced productivity. After adjusting for population age and sex differences, average medical expenditures among people with diagnosed diabetes were 2.3 times higher than what expenditures would be in the absence of diabetes. This is going to conclude our reading for today. However, please be aware of this great disease. Talk about it with your friends, your family, and let's try to do something to help everyone, okay? I will leave a link to my YouTube channel. You can follow me there. And each day I will give some information to you on the topic of diabetes. We need to know as much as we can so that we can help ourselves if we have diabetes or if we think we have diabetes, and for our family and friends who possibly may have diabetes. Once again, thank you very much. This is Bill King of Medcom Diabetics, and I will speak to you once again tomorrow. Thanks for listening. Have a great evening.